Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below.
Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Nirmal. In today's video, I'm going to show you how as a Windows PC user with an Apple iPhone, you can transfer media files from your PC to your iPhone using Apple's own iTunes software. In addition to Apple iTunes being a syncing software that can transfer your own media files, such as your own photos, videos, MP3s, etc., iTunes itself also possesses a massive storefront where you can purchase thousands upon thousands of music files, ebooks, movies, TV shows, and much more. Thus, directly from iTunes, you can also transfer all purchased content from them straight to your iPhone. In this video, I'm going to be using a Windows 10 PC connected to an Apple iPhone 11, and I'll be using iTunes to transfer some movie files, music files, and photos on my PC to my Apple iPhone. And I'm going to begin first by showing you how to download and install iTunes for the first time on a Windows 10 PC. So, without further ado, let's go over to my Windows 10 PC and get started. All right, I'm in front of my Windows 10 desktop, and I'm going to begin by opening up my web browser and navigating to iTunes.com. And when I'm there, I'll scroll down slightly, and instead of clicking on Get It from Microsoft, I'm going to go down further and click on this, looking for other versions, and click on Windows. Scroll just down a little bit and click on this blue button. Once the download is complete, I'll click on it to open the installer and begin the installation process. Okay, the wizard's begun, and I'll leave everything as default. Just click the install button. Click yes. Okay, the installation has been finished. Now I have to reboot my PC to finish the installation. Okay, my PC finished rebooting, and I'm back at the desktop. And so to launch iTunes, I'll simply click on the Start button, go up here to Recently Added, and click on iTunes. And I'll agree to their software license agreement. And now I am at the iTunes home screen, and I've just plugged in my Apple iPhone 11 to my PC with a USB to Lightning cable, and you can see iTunes has detected it because it's showing up here in the Devices section. In case your library section doesn't have all of the categories as shown here, you can always just hover here, click on Edit, and you can add and remove any of the categories by checking or unchecking them. When I click very quickly through all the categories in my library, you'll see that there is nothing in my library currently. In addition, the same thing applies to my iPhone. When I click on this little arrow to expand it, when I go through all the categories, you'll see that there's nothing there. But we're going to change that very quickly. So on my PC, I have 4 sample pictures, 4 sample songs, and 4 sample videos that I want to put on my iPhone. Let's go really quick and take a look at them by opening up File Explorer. So when I go to Music, I have a folder called Music to put on iPhone. Just 4 MP3 files called Rahul's Music, 1, 2, 3, 4. I go back now to the Pictures section, another folder, Photos to put on iPhone, and again, Rahul's Photos, 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally, we'll go to the Videos category, another folder called Videos to put on iPhone, and Rahul's Videos, 1, 2, 3, 4. What I have to do now in iTunes is add those 3 folders to my library. To do that, you'll go to File, and here instead of selecting File, I'm going to select Folder. So add folder to Library. So let's start with music first. So I'm going to select that folder called Music to put on iPhone. And so now they've been added to my library. And I'll repeat that same process for my videos and my photos. Now that I've added those 3 folders and the files within them to my library, it's time to sync them to my iPhone. I'll hover my mouse up here and click on this tiny icon which represents the iPhone 11 connected to my PC. And I'll begin first by going to the Music section and check this box. So I'm going to select an entire music library, which right now consists of only 4 songs. Next, go to Movies. Make sure this box again is checked, and I'm going to manually select those 4 video files. Rahul Videos 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then finally, go down here to Photos, Again, check this box. And here it says 26 photos. iTunes must be looking in a different directory. So I'm just going to click on Choose Folder and make sure it selects this one, Photos to put on iPhone. So now it says 4 photos, which is correct. Now that everything is ready, when I hit the apply button, the sync process will begin. Okay, we're going to look at the iPhone itself to make sure that the sync process from iTunes worked correctly. Let me go to the Photos app. And you'll see these are the 4 photos that were on my PC now synced to the iPhone. These 3 did not come from iTunes, they're taken from the iPhone camera itself. So the photos is all good. Next, let's go to TV to look at the video files. You see in library, now there's a downloaded, and you can see my 4 video files are here. And last but not least, music, library, you can see the 4 MP3 files that have now been synced. So you can see that iTunes successfully moved those 3 folders and the files within them onto my iPhone. So the sync process is complete and all of those files are on my iPhone. Now let's do the reverse and unsync and remove them from my iPhone. Again, I'll click on the music tab here and now unselect this check mark. And it gives me a confirmation, so I will hit remove. And again, do the same in the movie section and the photo section. Uncheck the box, and here in photos, uncheck it, and it's telling me again a confirmation message, and I'll hit remove photos. But then to truly remove them, I'll have to hit the apply button. So then it'll sync again. And now all of those files and folders have been removed from my iPhone. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate on the iPhone itself that the sync process was successful and all the items were removed. Let me go to the Photos app, and we'll see those 4 photos are no longer there. These 3 photos were taken by the iPhone camera. They're not from iTunes, but iTunes did remove those 4 photos. So that's fine. Next, I'm going to go to the TV app, and again, I'm in library, and it says there's no movies. So those 4 movies were also successfully unsynced. And finally, let's go to the music app. And again, I'm at library and there's no music. So all the 4 files are gone as well. So you can see that that process was successful and all those 3 folders and files were removed successfully.
Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.